So welcome students. So in this question you're given that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to -2 and f of x is this big determinant. If that is so, f of x is a polynomial of which degree? That is, if you expand this f of x, you get a polynomial in x and you're asked to find the degree of f of x. So if you do this question directly, if you tend to do this question directly, so if you expand this determinant, 1 plus a square x times this into this minus this into this. So you get x square into x. You might get a cubic equation. And if you mark b as an answer, you'll be wrong. So because a square plus b square plus c square minus is equal to -2 is given. So let us try to find a way to use this information. So is there any relation with this information to the given determinant? So what I do is f of x is equal to, now in this determinant I'll do something. So I'll use a column operation, which is C1 becomes C1 plus C2 plus C3. From this column operation, the determinant doesn't change. So if you add all these columns, what happens? 1 plus. So in all the other terms you have an x times a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 is 2. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2. And what happens here? So you have a 1 extra here, 1 plus. In all the remaining terms you have an x times a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 is 2 again. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 again. Similarly, if you do this plus this, again you get 1 plus x times a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. So is this term a nice term with respect to this problem? Yes, because that's what is given in the question. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 is equal to 0. So all these terms will become 0. Now other terms are same. 1 plus b square times x, 1 plus b square x, 1 plus b square times x, 1 plus c square times x, 1 plus c square times x, 1 plus c square x. So now I'll further simplify this determinant by using row operations now. So R2 becomes R2 minus R1, R3 becomes R3 minus R1. So if I do this, the first row will remain intact. 1 plus b square times x, 1 plus c square times x. The first row will remain intact. If I do R2 is equal to R2 minus R1, this becomes 0. So R2 minus R1, b square x gets cancelled. So I get 1 minus x. And 1 plus c square into x minus 1 plus c square into x is 0. And R3 becomes R3 minus R1. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. You get 1 minus x again. So now it's very easy to expand this determinant. 1 times this is 1 minus x whole square is the determinant. So f of x is effectively, this whole determinant effectively simplifies to 1 minus x whole square. So what is the degree of 1 minus x whole square? Option A is the right answer, degree 2. Thank you.